Since nakapag-research na tayo ng ating niche, gagawa tayo ng ating KDP book. Welcome to day 4 of my 7-day Amazon KDP series. We've already chosen our niche, researched our audience, and identified the tools we need. Now it's time to create your first book. So gagamit tayo dito ng BookVault para gumawa ng first book natin sa Amazon KDP. Pero bago natin gawin yan, kailangan natin sagutin yung mga information gaya ng who is this book for, what type of content will it have, how many pages will it have, what is the book size, and what is the main theme. So dito sa BookVault, ang gagawin lang natin is to create a new project. So, ang pipiliin natin na trim size ay 6 by 9 inches kasi yun yung madalas na binibenta sa Amazon KDP. For the interior and paper type, we're going to use black and white interior with white paper. And then, i-check lang natin yung with bleed and 100 pages ang kailangan natin. After that, you just have to create the project. The next thing we're going to do is nakapag-generate na tayo dito sa Notebook Cover Studio. Pero kung wala ka naman ito, don't worry. Pwede ka namang pumunta sa ChatGPT para gawin mo na lang yon manually. But for me, I'm using Notebook Cover Studio para mas madali akong mag-generate ng prompt. After generating the prompt, you just have to download yung generate ni ChatGPT and we're going to upload that dito sa BookVault. So dito, you can choose to upload an image or pwede ka ring mamili ng mga stock photos na available dito. But for me, since nakapag-upload na ako at nakagawa na ako ng book, ang gagawin ko na lang is I'm going to adjust the size. But first, you have to remove yung interior template, this one. Tanggalin muna natin yung cover template and then let's just adjust the cover photo. So, ito yung magsisilbing cover ng ating notebook. So, make sure na yung nasa gitna na nakikita ninyo, make sure na yung spine ng notebook ninyo ay nandito talaga sa gitna kasi dyan ifo-fold yan. And then, for the interior pages, you don't need to worry because you don't have to do it manually. May mga page templates na available dito sa BookVault. So, mamimili ka lang dito ng gusto mong interior page na ilalagay sa composition notebook. So, i-click natin yan and then pipiliin natin yung college ruled. Just select all and then i-deselect lang natin yung cover kasi ayaw naman nating ilagay dyan yung interior pages. Continue. And then, ang maganda sa BookVault is make sure niya that it's following the Amazon KDP guidelines. After that, just click on submit. So, pag nakapag-submit na, ina-apply na ni BookVault lahat yung college ruled na interior templates sa lahat ng pages. So once you're done with this one, you can just simply download. Make sure that you choose the first one kasi ganito yung mag-a-appear kapag dinownload natin siya. Na-download na yung cover page separately from the interior page or yung tinatawag natin na manuscript. Kailangan separate yung book cover and manuscript or the interior page kasi requirement yon sa Amazon KDP. Since we already have created our first book, we are now ready to publish our book.